Good morning, class. I'm going to show you how to make a pizza. There are three main steps. The first step is to get all the ingredients: water, olive oil, salt, yeast, flour, sauce, and cheese, and toppings you want. I usually put pineapple and some olives on it. You may like something else. The second step is making the dough. First, you pour the dry ingredients. Next, you put the olive oil and the water in. How much of the olive oil? The circle? This way? This way? I don't believe this way. Not that way. That way. Done. After that, we mix everything until it makes a paste. After the dough rises and we preheat the dough oven, then we roll the dough into a circle. Now we spread the sauce on the dough. We spray. Then we sprinkle the cheese. Finally, we add our favorite toppings. I am going to add olives to my pizza.